At the south end of our building, the completion was done in 1982. So some of our career and technical education CTE classrooms and our fine arts rooms are very outdated. Because the building was added on to the north, it continued to grow towards the north, but the public and safety offices remain at the south end of the building. So that makes response to safety needs differ depending on where that teacher is located within the building. So that idea of being able to reconfigure the location of the public and safety offices more to the center part of the building would be really a helpful addition for those of us trying to make sure that we create a safe environment for all kids. As we're looking at different parts of the building that was opened in 1982, we have a need for additional parking. And probably if you talk to our neighbors, they would go ahead and validate that, as most of our student parking ends up going out into the neighborhood. Our baseball field, our coaches have to spend so much time just making that field playable because it doesn't have enough drainage. In the central part of the city, there's limited access to those types of resources. So wouldn't that be great if North Central was more of a hub access for our children in our community?